Hello and welcome to the first feature presentation of Xenium. But first, what is Xenium, you might be wondering? Well, Xenium is an upcoming open source CMS platform that will provide you with advanced features such as this one, collaborative real-time editing. Now, that's pretty neat, right? So let's get right to it. Now, you might be familiar with editing conflicts when more than one user is trying to edit a content on a website at the same time. Yeah, this can be quite a frustrating experience. Now, one of the solutions, of course, is to block the other user until the first one is finished. But this is still quite a time-consuming feature. Imagine an offer that has to be entered in 5 different languages. This is still the time of entering one offer times 5. The ultimate solution to this problem, of course, is real-time collaboration editing. But every time I mentioned I wanted to bring this feature to Xenium CMS, everybody just rolled their eyes and said, yeah, right. And they probably thought that I'm crazy. But to make things even more interesting, here are some guidelines that I was following when creating this feature for Xenium. It must be free, it must be easy to install and configure, it must be fast, and of course, it must be easy to use. And all these result in the most eyebrow-raising feature in Xenium. So, let me just show you how this works. Here I have already a content editing opened, and this is the contacts page, which is here. So what I need now to show you is another window. Let's do this here. Okay. Move to new window. Now we have to make it much smaller. Okay. I think this should be enough. Just drop it by the side. And now this one. Yes. Cool. So I will make changes in this window, and the changes will also be shown into this one. So let's just type something in here. Now, as you can see, as I was typing here, the changes were made visible also in this window. To prove it, now I can also save it in this window. So let's just make a save, and let's check the website. And here it is. Okay, now let's change this back. And now I'm going to make a save here. There we go. and the text I typed previously is now gone. I can also drop in an image, for example this logo. Let's put it here. Here it is. And the change happened also here. Now I can edit it furthermore. Let's say, for example, I give it a float to the left so that the text is aligned to the image, and I can also give it a margin, let's say 25. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so as you can see, basically every change made here was also made into the other window, and vice versa. So I'll just delete this logo now to return the text into the previous state. Let's try some other changes. Let's say, for example, I want this involved to be in bold. And there we go. Here it is in bold, and here also. So let's put it back. Or for example, this should be title 4. This paragraph here. Let's make it title 4, and here also changes into title 4. Let's change it back to the paragraph, or better yet, let's change it here back to title 4, and here back to the paragraph. There we go. Or for example, let's create a link. So we want this to be a link. Okay. This is not seen. Oh, okay. Okay, let's make it a link. So it's already set up. Now I must only give it a URL. So let's write in here .org. Save changes. And if we check this link here, we will see that it has the changes saved. We can also, for example, drop in an icon. Let's say here, email us. I want an icon. Okay, let's choose this one. Let's give it a size 400. Insert icon. I click on it. So the changes are instantly happening also here. So let's give it a float and a bit of margin. Oh, quite nice. Okay, but I don't want that currently on my website. We can also do the blocks. Let's insert a text block. I have some contents prepared here. Okay, globalize your business, insert block, and it's in. Let's insert another one. Easy to use. Okay, 25%. Cool. And another one just to fill out the row. And we give it a width of 50%. Insert. And here they are. So if you may have noticed, these are the text blocks that compose the first page and the features page. You can also move them around, let's say the order of blocks. I want this one to be the first one, so I just move it here. The change was made also here. Or perhaps I want them all to be after this title. Why not? Let's move them here. Okay, first one's there. The second one also. And the third one. And there we go. So here it is, guys. Thank you for watching my first feature presentation video of Xenium. There are a lot more features to be presented, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. You can also follow Xenium on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn. So that's it for now, guys. Have a nice one. Bye bye.